Hi guys, welcome. So this is a 2-day project that you are starting. We're going to research renewable energy resources or alternative energy. We talked a lot about fossil fuels the other day, about coal and then petroleum, natural gas. Today we're going to start looking at, today and tomorrow actually, some alternative energy sources. The problem, or what we're seeing with fossil fuels, not only are they in a limited supply, so we don't have an unlimited supply, meaning that eventually one day we're going to run out. We don't know when that day is, but scientists and environmentalists would like to be prepared so that we can go in a different direction and we can still continue to live the lives that we live. So we're looking at alternative energy sources. A lot of them are non-pollutant, so that means that they don't release carbon dioxide or greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, which is a big plus for them. And many of them are in either an unlimited supply or we have a lot of them. But just like with anything, they have their cons as well. Today and tomorrow, you're going to be researching each of these 7 different types of energy. You're going to put them into this chart right here, so your answers and your research. I'll show you how we're going to do that research. So I've got a article right here for you to read. It's got each of the energy sources in here. You're going to read this article. You're going to look at all 7 types of energy resources. Inside your text boxes, you are going to write for each one, number 1, a sentence describing the energy. Where does it come from? Tell me that. So like with solar, we know that we use solar panels to capture the photons coming from the sunshine. You're going to list some pros or advantages of this resource, and if you notice, the article is already written that way. So you've got solar, it's got a brief here saying of what solar energy is. It's got its advantages and it's got its disadvantages. You are welcome to do number 2 and 3, so the pros and the cons in bullet points. The first one, though, needs to be a sentence describing the energy source, and this needs to be in your own words. If you simply copy and paste what the article says, you will not get credit for that question. So make sure that you are summarizing. One of our powerful science skills here is to be able to take information and put it into your own words. That's what we're going to be doing today. Also, on your sheet, it says fuel cells. That's going to correspond to the hydrogen in the reading right here. And then on your sheet, it says waves. That's corresponding to the ocean right here. So this is a 2-day project, so you have plenty of time to get this done. If you want to split it up, do 4 today and 3 tomorrow. If you're feeling particularly energetic today, you are welcome to do all 7 and turn it in. Have a great day.